5 Best Websites to Learn Ethical Hacking in 2020. On these websites, you can discover several useful articles or courses on ethical hacking and security. So, let's explore the list of best websites to learn ethical hacking in 2020. 1. Hacking Tutorial. Well, Hacking Tutorial is one of the best and top-rated websites on the list which explains vulnerabilities. You will find several articles on vulnerabilities found on software. Not only that, but the site also lets you download tutorials in PDF format for offline viewing. 2. Hack in the Box. It is the second best website to learn ethical hacking. This site has hanged significantly through the years and it is rebranded as HITB, and the site is completely transformed into what looks like a WordPress-based platform. Also still today, Hack in the Box remains focused on security and ethical hacking from past years. 3. Hack this site. If you have little knowledge of the ethical hacking field and searching for resources to expand your hacking skills, then you need to visit this site. It's basically a community of ethical hackers where you can find or share details of your findings. If you have any doubts, then you can directly ask the community. 4. Evil Zone Hacking Forums. This is one of the largest community and forum of hacking on the internet and also the best site to learn to hack. Also, this community likely has the skills and knowledge to answer any programming question you could possibly have on it or outside it. All the tutorials are very sharply explained on this website. 5. Hacker Day. As the name indicates, Hacker Day is also another best site to learn ethical hacking on the internet. This website definitely offers an amazing library of information for anyone looking for specific categories like cell phones, GPS or digital cameras and much more.